Winning the war on colds and flu. As the changing seasons approach and colds become more prevalent, it's essential to consider how our dietary choices can support our immune health. In today's discussion, we will delve into some powerhouse foods that can help bolster your immunity and fend off those pesky colds. 1. Citrus fruits, nature's vitamin C bombs. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are often hailed for their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in the production of white blood cells, which are integral to fighting infections. Incorporating these bright, zesty fruits into your diet can enhance your immune response. Whether you enjoy them as fresh slices, in juices, or tossed into salads, citrus fruits are a delicious way to support your health. 2. Lean proteins, fuel for immune cells. Proteins are the building blocks of your body, and they become particularly important when battling illness. Lean meats like chicken and turkey, as well as plant-based sources such as beans, lentils, and tofu, provide the essential amino acids needed for the production of immune cells. A protein-rich meal not only keeps you satiated, but also provides your body with the defense it needs against infections. 3. Yogurt. Probiotics for a healthy gut. Did you know that a large portion of your immune system resides in your gut? Fermented foods like yogurt contain probiotics, or good bacteria, which help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut can improve your body's immune response, making yogurt an excellent choice for a daily snack or breakfast. Steer clear of sugary varieties and opt for plain yogurt, which you can enhance with fruits and nuts. 4. Garlic. The natural antimicrobial agent. Garlic has been used for centuries, not just for its flavor, but also for its health benefits. It contains compounds such as allicin that have been shown to enhance the immune system's response to infection. Incorporating fresh garlic into your meals not only enhances the taste, but also adds a powerful weapon to your health arsenal. 5. Nuts and seeds, nutrient-dense powerhouses. Rich in vitamin E, healthy fats, and omega-3 fatty acids, nuts and seeds are excellent choices for immune support. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and flax seeds can be easily incorporated into your diet as snacks or toppings for salads and yogurt. Vitamin E is particularly essential for maintaining a healthy immune function, acting as a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells. 6. Leafy greens, a combo of nutrients. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants. These nutrients work synergistically to support your body's defenses. Adding a serving or two of leafy greens to your meals or smoothies can go a long way in strengthening your immune system. 7. Berries, antioxidant richness. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are full of antioxidants and vitamins that combat oxidative stress in the body. These tiny fruits not only taste great, but also provide health benefits that can help you resist illness. Incorporating a mix of berries into your diet can boost your overall wellness and immune health. Integrating these foods into your daily diet can create a solid foundation for a robust immune system, helping you stay healthy and ward off colds. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate your support and encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our future content. Remember, nourishing your body with the right foods is one of the most effective ways you can take charge of your health. Eating with intention can truly lead to flourishing well-being.